Hey guys, let's see today how to check if app is compatible with iPhone or iPad. So guys, if you want to know if an app is compatible with your iPhone or iPad, it's easy to check app compatibility on your iPhone or iPad. So guys, let's see in this video we show you how to check if an app is compatible with your iPhone or iPad. So guys, to check just try to open App Store. So first try to check, let's example on my iPhone, see these many apps already installed. So let's say check any app which is compatible with on our iPhone or not. So just go to App Store, and now App Store just type any. So for me, let's example I'm just type Nike and just go to here, and okay, I just try to open this Nike's app, and now just try to come down further. Yeah, just slightly come down, and you can see over here the compatibility box on this iPhone. And if you just just expand this drop down, you can get it the compatibility iPhone requires iOS 15. So this many information you can get it further. So guys, this way you can check any app whether it is compatible with your iPhone or iPad. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.